Hi everyone, I'm Zhen Su, a tech reporter at the South China Morning Post, and I am in Shanghai, China's economic powerhouse. Today I'm going to spend one day in Shanghai without speaking to anybody. Okay, we're currently in Bingo Box, which is an unmanned convenience store in Shanghai. As you can see, I'm the only person in the store and there are no employees around me. Everything here is completely self-service, from entering the store with QR codes, picking out items, and then paying for it at the cashier. Okay, so we're now in front of Suning's unmanned sports apparel store. This store is so advanced that it's beyond QR codes. It simply scans your face to let you in. Let's check out how it works. Okay, so this is a really cool system whereby it uses facial recognition to guess what products you might like on the Suning platform. Earlier they recommended that I would probably like some earphones. So what's really cool about this store is that there are no cashiers. To pay for your products, you simply come to the front of this scanner. It will detect what merchandise you've picked out and who you are, and automatically deduct the money from your Suning account. Hey guys, so after our fried chicken meal, here we are at our last stop in Shanghai for some entertainment. So as you can see, I am in a karaoke booth. It is very small and sits a maximum of 3 people, but we can basically sing to our heart's content by either paying through WeChat or putting in some coins. Hey guys, so after a day in Shanghai, not speaking to anybody, it has been actually pretty cool to see all the technology at work in all these unmanned stores. However, it's also a little bit depressing, to know that we can go through an entire day with no human contact. But regardless, it has been a really fun experience for me, and I hope that you will come and try it out for yourself if you're ever in Shanghai.